XRP holders, let's talk about it because right now XRP is currently up around 27.5% on the day. I'm going to mention some things about XRP along with the lawsuit, along with some other price predictions and analysis that I'm seeing here on XRP. We're going to talk a little bit about the volume and some more updates that is coming with XRP that could make us kind of bullish and have a lot of volatility. The volatility here is going to be based off of the overall crypto market and the altcoins in general. As you can see, a lot of the meme coins have started to pull back today, and a lot of money is being moved from those meme coins over to cryptocurrencies like XRP, Stellar Lumens, and BAT. A lot of these have seen over a 10 to 50% gain today, and the meme coins are seeing around a 3% to a 10% loss. That is because of the lack of volume on those altcoins currently, and there's not enough momentum. As other holders are kind of seeing that, they're kind of moving their cryptocurrencies around, and you can kind of see about the typical hold time as well. The hold time on those cryptocurrencies, if you do take a look at one of the major charts to see where the volume is going, the volume is coming from a lot of those other cryptocurrencies that are pulling back, going into these coins so that they can have a good little scalp trade. Remember guys, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own due diligence. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Only around 20% of viewers that watch my channel is actually subscribed to my channel. So hit that like button and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of XRP and the overall altcoins in general currently. Take a look at the 15-minute time frame. We had a buy signal in the group today, and we still haven't seen any sell on it yet. Over a 72% gain within 2 days and 10 hours. But if we take a look here and we see what it is going to be currently, we're at a 62% gain just within 2 days and 12 hours. A 62% gain is pretty good. More than likely, we're going to probably end up seeing some price action and maybe a signal here coming around the $1.10 range. If we do come back a little further, that means we're going to start to lose some volume here. On the 4-hour chart as well, you can kind of see the correlation with it going up all the way from 49 cents very quickly from the start of November, and you can see how it has over 2x'd ever since then. But with XRP, there is a lot of volume and momentum as of right now, so it is definitely going to be very volatile, so you have to watch the volume to really tell which way XRP is going to be coming soon. If you take a look at the smaller time frames, you're going to see a lot of people that is doing day trades, scalping and swing trading it within a 1 to 3 day period. That is a lot of people thought process right now on XRP because XRP is such of a big gainer. So money's being pulled out of other coins, getting put into these coins that are seeing more volume and more hype. So that is where a lot of volume is coming into XRP and pulling out of some of these meme coins that I mentioned earlier. Let me know what you guys think down below with that, as well as people pulling out of these meme coins, putting it into these other coins that are running. Even if they take a profit on those other coins and they start to move it into other coins, they could see more of a price action there. Remember to always do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. So now let's talk about XRP from Coinbase. The current market cap is 64.6 billion. The market cap is 33% less than the overall volume today. So you're seeing a 22.6 billion volume in just 24 hours. That volume is coming from a lot of these other coins moving into XRP, because if you take a look at the typical hold time of XRP is 85 days. There is a lot of analytics to go off of, definitely on Coinbase when you're taking a look at the typical hold time, as Coinbase has had XRP for over a decade now. The all-time high of XRP is $3.84. So for us to get back there, we would need almost a $200 billion market cap. The popularity is number 6 on XRP, which is good. It makes it easier for people to access and to get it onto the front page of these exchanges. Within the last day, it's been up around 26% according to Coinbase. Price change within a week is 107% gain. If you'd have bought this time last year, you would have only been in a 45% profit. So that is why you can see some of these other coins are being pulled out of, getting put in XRP because of the short-term run that we're seeing here within the last 2 weeks of over 120% gain. So if we go to a 10-minute time frame here, so these are 10-minute candles each. What we're seeing here is going to be some price action. We're starting to kind of stair climb down. This stair climb back down could have us going like this pattern, and we could easily see back down to that $1.10. So if I go back here to the 30-minute time frame where we had spoke about it earlier, it does look like it maybe has set a double top, but it looks more like a bearish pattern here coming on, definitely with the loss of volume near the same area of time as well. If you take a look here, you can kind of see the red volume. You can see how we had that nice volume earlier to kind of give us that little push above the dollar range. And ever since we hit that dollar range, there has been a lot more buying and selling and day trading with it. And you can see the volume and volatility with it is just major. There is a lot of FUD and speculation coming with XRP. With the lawsuit itself, you can see that there are some changes online. It is really good to look up the facts on that as well whenever you're taking a look at XRP, because there's still a lot of things behind the scenes going on with XRP that could make it bullish or make it bearish, as XRP is going to be one of the major ones that is being followed in the court system as well. With XRP being that way, you could potentially see it go even further than where it is today. As you can see, the all-time high was over $3.60. So if you do take a look at that from where we are now, we would need over 120 billion gain in market cap. And last time we seen that was back in 21, whenever all the altcoins, Bitcoin had hit all-time high. With Bitcoin kind of consolidating around 88 to 93,000 currently. Once it hits around that 100,000 range, I say there'll be a lot of meme coins. A lot of these altcoins kind of pull back due to the volatility and the target of 100,000 for a lot of people. If you do take a look at the buy and sell orders on some exchanges, you can see that there is a lot of sell orders around the $100,000 range and a little bit before it. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. So my price prediction on XRP today is going to be around $1.28. I'm expecting $1.28, but it's going to see a potential pullback even further. So if we take a look at the 1 week chart, you can kind of see how we're playing out here and looking at it from a different perspective. Right here, you see the double top. It fills this gap. So this is why you take a look at the TA. This was on the weekly chart. So within a 5-week period, we had made that double top shape. Kind of pulled back just like we were now, getting back down to a low of 17 cents back then. And you can kind of see here, we just kind of steadily climbing. These are going to be a week time frame, consolidation period, drop right before the major pump. That was whenever the elections had came, along with the hype with XRP, Bitcoin, and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies. If we do take a look at where it is now, it's going to be back in the range of March of 2022. There is still a gap that we could potentially see going back up to that $1.23 range, which we kind of had topped on today, was right around that range. This is definitely going to be a major support line, so you will definitely want to kind of take a look at some of these areas as well, because not even just that, these are going to be key points that we really have to kind of look for, focus on, and see what is going to happen next. So my price prediction is going to be around that $1.27, if not going up to around $1.30. If we do break above that, there's potential that we may hit $1.50. Hitting that $1.50 mark could be a good breaking point for XRP, and a lot of people may start to take profits. You'll see a lot of volume and volatility due to how much it has ran just within the last 2 weeks of over 120% gain. Remember, guys, if you do like this type of content, hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of XRP. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.